Hey guys. Sorry guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Giselle Gomez, and today we are going to be making slime. So first you are going to add your glue. Okay. Got the glue in. Then you're going to add your food coloring, and I'm going to make this with blue. Mix it. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a little darker. Sorry for the laughing in the background. I'm actually sick too, so just ignore that. But got a darker blue. Then we're going to add our baking soda water. It has baking soda and has water. So it's good tradition thing, and I poured it on my carpet. Great. This is how you need to do this. And then that honey has a little baking soda, so you're gonna add a little bit more. A little bit more. And then you're going to add your contact lens. And a little bit. Sorry, it's just this one's really big, so I had to add a lot. But you have to add a little bit at a time now. And it's probably gonna be a jiggly slime because it's already like liquidy, but it's slime at the same time. So now I'll just back in there, and I'm going to get some contact lens, and I'm going to put it on my hands, rub it all over it, grab the slime, start kneading with my hands. And I have a bunch on my hands. Great. So now it's really stretchy. Not that stretchy, but like it's okay. Stretchy. It's not that stretchy, but it's a really good slime. Very glossy. I don't know why. Because all I added was glue, and I added some lotion, food coloring. I secretly added the food coloring. Secretly, just playing. So this stuff. I'm gonna put it right there. Is that right, guys? Okay. Yeah, right. So right. So this is my slime, and then this is how it smells weird. It smells like contact lens. I'm making for that. So this turned out really jiggly. Just a little bit. My hands are very slippery. You guys have to see this. Look at this. Sorry, it's in the dark, but like, see that? That's so jiggly. Look at how jiggly that is. Sorry, I have some right here. And look at. Just look at how freaking jiggly that is. Okay. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Bye.